In today's digital age, YouTube has become a powerful platform for content creators to express themselves, share their knowledge, and engage with a global audience. With millions of videos uploaded every day, it's essential to develop strategies that can help your video stand out and attract the most audience. In this podcast, we will explore some key tips and techniques to create YouTube videos that capture attention, engage viewers, and ultimately, reach a wider audience. Number 1. Define your target audience. Before diving into video production, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Identifying your niche and determining the interests and preferences of your potential viewers will enable you to tailor your content and messaging accordingly. Conduct thorough research, analyze your competitors, and use available analytics tools to gain insights into your target demographic. Number 2. Plan engaging and relevant content. Creating high quality, engaging content is the backbone of a successful YouTube video. Consider these key elements while planning your video. A. Compelling introduction. Grab viewers' attention in the first few seconds. Use an intriguing hook, captivating visuals, or pose an intriguing question to spark their curiosity. B. Clear structure. Organize your content into logical segments. This helps viewers understand the flow of information and increases their engagement throughout the video. C. Valuable information. Deliver content that provides value to your audience. Offer insights, tips, tutorials, or entertaining stories that resonate with their interests. D. Visual appeal. Incorporate appealing visuals, graphics, and animations to enhance the overall viewing experience. High production value can significantly impact audience retention and engagement. E. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your channel. End your video with a clear call to action that invites them to engage further. Number 3. Optimize for search engines. To maximize your video's reach, it's crucial to optimize it for search engines. Consider the following SEO techniques. A. Title and thumbnail. Craft an attention-grabbing title that accurately represents your content. Choose an appealing thumbnail that complements the title and entices viewers to click. B. Keywords and tags. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally into your video's title, description, and tags. This will help search engines understand the content and rank it higher in search results. C. Descriptive metadata. Write a detailed and compelling description for your video, including relevant keywords and a concise summary of the content. This will improve search visibility and inform viewers about your video's value. Number 4. Leverage social media and cross-promotion. Promotion plays a vital role in reaching a larger audience. Utilize social media platforms to share your YouTube videos with your followers and engage in relevant communities. Additionally, consider collaborating with other content creators to tap into their existing audience base. Cross-promotion can introduce your content to new viewers and foster mutually beneficial relationships. Number 5. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal and engaged audience requires consistent interaction and responsiveness. Respond to comments, answer questions, and actively engage with your viewers. Encourage discussions, ask for feedback, and incorporate viewer suggestions into your future videos. This two-way communication fosters a sense of community and encourages viewers to share your content. Creating a YouTube video that resonates with a broad audience is an art that requires careful planning and execution. By defining your target audience, delivering valuable content, optimizing for search engines, leveraging social media, and engaging with your viewers, you can increase the visibility and reach of your videos. Remember, the key is to consistently create high-quality, engaging content that captures the attention and interest of your target audience. With dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, you can make your YouTube channel a platform for success. Happy creating!